Okay, guys, good evening. It's your girl Star Girl. So today I'm going to pick a little sour orange, which it is sour orange. They call it what? Neighbor orange. They have so many different names for it, guys. But today I'm going to pick some sour orange, and today I'm going to do a little talking about feeding. Like you have the pig feeding, you have the chicken feeding, guys. So guys, tune in, watch till the end. Hey guys, Mr. Delroy is throwing off some feeding.
Take up them two feet there, put the feed up.
Why you bad up the man? Take time with him now.
Feed up.
He can't bad.
Yeah. Put it.
So how is your day today? What's your name? Robert? You're not answer. You're not answer me. Eh? Mr. Robert, come and feed. You don't answer me. Eh? You know. So you have more for drop off down at the road, Mr. Delroy. Me just catch your name now. Two more left with. How much? How much leave? So Delroy, you have rain down your side?
Sure.
Wally? Marcus, you look clean though. What's up? Rain catch you today? Eh? Why? So if you're not for going and shady? Eh? What's wrong with you? Marcus, what's wrong with you? Hmm? Stop it. It's not fair. Yeah.
Finish now. Down the road.
So how much feeding leaf you go down the road? How much this on the ground? How much here?
14, 15, 17.
So these are what? Layers and what? Chicken? Or just layers only?
And layer and chicken.
Layer and chicken. So you have pig, sow and chicken and...
Yeah.
Alright, so me I will come down there see way.
Right now.
Yeah. Okay, so Delroy is putting off the other set, so this amount will be delivering to to a customer. So that's Delroy and that's the driver over there. So this is almost close to the main road. Yeah. So this is I think they're having what, pig sow in this one and chicken. So the pig sow would be for the pig sow is for the what? The mother pig or the kids? The piglet. Piglet. Okay. So the mother don't get it. The mother don't get it too. The pig mother. She don't get the pig sow as well. Why? She not forgetting. She just get the natural pig feeding, right?
So she have feed. She have breastfeed.
I'm not sure. Okay. So what's the name of that one? What's the name of that one? What's the name of that one that produces the milk? Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's how it's so.
And you take off 2 o'clock.
A 4 in all. So in all it gonna be what? How much in all gonna be here, so?
12 she said down here.
12 and all?
No, 11
11?
or 17 ago.
Okay. 17. Oh.
Pack up those.
Okay. So this are what, the pig and the chicken, right?
So the chicken, it crumble again.
This are crumble, yeah. So you have the crumble yours on the pig. Yeah.
Yeah, again. That it started on there.
Oh. Chicken, sow and what? Starter or the same thing?
Yes.
Alright.
So that's how the mother pig.
This are for the mother pig.
Yeah.
Oh.
We have breastfeed. That
This are the chicken.
chicken.
And
we also
wieners?
pig. Pig
That don't stop take birth.
yeah, man. Go. It takes like.
Okay.
And then that no big stuff.
This are for the starter.
They are 4, 8, 10.
One more left now, Delroy. But you're not featuring the thing properly. Come put it. Yeah, well, calm down. Calm down then. Okay. Alright, so Delroy, you're catching on my camera, so take care of yourself and continue to be the good person you are, which I don't know if you are a good person. Now follow. Him not getting a credit. Why you not give the young man a credit?
I don't trust.
You don't trust? Why? Why you not trust? Cash and deliver.
No credit.
No credit. Okay.
Yeah.
That is good. So, that's Delroy and this is his driver. Maybe you don't like to say his name, but Acha. No, me not remember. Alright, so Delroy, you stay on the safe side. Take care of yourself. Friend alone, don't cuss him. Leave my friend Delroy alone. I can see you guys work together and you guys make it business. So that is good. So take care of yourself. Alright. Okay, so this feed is for the mother pig to produce milk. So this feed would call Soran Boar. Yes, so this is for the mother pig who have the young kids to produce milk so she can feed the young born piglets. So it is called Soran Boar for the mother. And this is the broiler Russian crumbles. So this is for the chickens. This is also for the young ones, young chicken. Yes, they can also get the pellet, but the pellet would be too rough for them, so they have to use to the crumble. So the crumble is like for the younger ones because the grain are smaller. So this other feed is called the pig grower. So the pig grower it's like the regular feeding for like just the regular feeding for the pigs. So it would be like the sow and the boar. It would be regular. The sow and the boar, like I said, it produce milk for the mother to feed the piglets, and you have the starter down here. So like he said, the The pig starter, he said the pig starter is for the pig who don't take breast milk. Yeah. So you have some piglet, which is a young barn. Some of them born and they don't like take the breast. So you can give them this feed and they can eat it. So these are for the ones who don't take the breast milk. Yes, so this one help them to grow. And here is like the regular pig feed. This is a regular pig feed for the pigs. So like I said, this one is regular and this one is for the mother pig. This one is for the mother pig to produce milk, so she can have enough milk to feed the piglets, which is the younger ones. Yes. And this one is for the chicken. So you have the crumble here. Yes, this is the crumble, which is the broiler ration. You have crumble and you have piglets. Pellets. So no pellets is here, only crumble. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is another feed now, so but this one is called layer. It is a pig layer ration. So these are the lays like the eggs. They lay you have the brown egg and you have the white one. So they are the one who produce the eggs for us. So you have people who raise them for the marketing industry. So they go out like out in the market, or you have some people who also sell in the neighborhood, in the little. Okay, these feeding, like I was saying before, these feed you have, it's called pig layer ration. So these feed has to go to the fowls that lay the eggs, which they produce the eggs. So normally if they don't get these feeding, they won't be able to produce any egg. So if we don't try to get the feed on time for them, they won't be able to produce any egg at all. So once they get these feeding, they will always producing egg over and over. So yes, so as I said, it's called layer, but this one is mash, which is the finder. It is not even crumble, but it's like dust, so it's called mash. But you have the other one, they call it crumble, so it have some grain in it. But these one, like I said, this is the mash. So the layer has to get the feeding for them to be able to produce eggs. So if they are out of feeding, you guys will be out of eggs. So they have to keep the feeding intact for the layers to get, so they can produce eggs. So guys, this is the layer feed. So we don't get any crumble. I guess no crumble is in the market area, so we only get the layer mash for the layer fowl. So we don't get any layer crumble, it's only layer mash for the fowl to produce eggs. So yes guys, this is what the feed look like for the. So as I was saying, yes, this is what the feeder look like for the layer fowl, for them to be able to produce eggs. Okay, so the layer and the crumble is the same thing, but they are different. But they said that the finer ones is always good. But to be honest with you, the both of them is the same. I don't see any difference. So that's their feed. Yeah, so so today we are here with Ian. What are you preparing, Mr. Ian?
Whole heap of food.
Whole heap of food?
Yeah, like pork and cow foot and chicken.
And what you say?
Yeah, whole heap of food.
Like what you call whole heap, different cow foot and chicken.
What kind
just
of
So, so, so this is what the coconut milk. So what is this? The rice?
Real coconut. Yeah, that's
Oh,
like peas.
so these are the red peas.
Yeah.
So this is what the liquor pot.
Pork in it.
Oh, so I stew pork.
Yeah.
So why you never try the curry pork too?
I mean, a jerk chicken too.
What you say? So this is the coconut milk.
Yeah.
So this is your liquor spot.
Yeah, that's my liquor.
So if me will come and buy like some lunch or which is food, so you will have my meal when me eat.
Any meal at all you need. Let us tell me what
So
you
what's your prices? It go by the box, or which is the same thing as the size, right?
need. Yeah.
Okay. So what are the different sizes and the prices?
Medium and small.
Okay. So the medium is how much?
700.
And the medium and small is it? So the small is what? 300?
500.
Okay. Okay, so this is Mr. Eod cookout spot. When cooking, look at different meal. Okay, guys. So this is my little cook stick. It's a bit taller than I am, but I'm just going to be cautious with it, guys. So let's go to the sour orange tree. So you can see. This is what the sour orange look like. Yes, so it's a bit big. Oh, yes. So that is some of the sour orange landing already. So this is okay. This is some more. That's how they fall on the ground. But I'm going to pick them up. So here is another one. Yes. Whoa. What? That one gone a bit. See, I'm going to try catch this one over here. So this is what the tree look like. You can come a bit closer and look at it. So yes, here is what they look like. Whoa. Whoa, don't go. So this is the sour orange. So we use it like to make juice. So you can this is what it look like. So you can get a knife, you peel it like an orange, and then you cut it in two, and you can squeeze it into a cup. So you get a strainer before, so you know you have to strain out the seed. So you get the juice, and you can mix it with your syrup, you can mix it with a sugar, so you would get manish water. So it is similar to lime, but it is different. So it is more huge and it's bigger, guys. So this is sour orange. So this is what it look like. Yes, this is the sour orange, and that's the tree where it's from. So you can see we have so many of them. Yes, so this is our whoa. So this is the sour orange. So you can see that's the size of it. Yes, so they are so huge, like an orange, or you say like a grapefruit, but it is different. This is sour orange, so you can use it to wash your meat, you know, and keep it fresh. Cut the rawness, so you keep it fresh and nice and ready to cook. So you get it to make juice, you can wash your meat, so it is usable in many different ways, guys. Yes, so that is our sour orange, guys. Yes, so we have reached the end of our video, guys. So please like, share, comment and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you.